Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we are going home now. I signed out already 2:11. Yeah. Today we did 140. Yeah, and today is my first day at work, coming from 12 days vacation, coming from bike packing, bike travel. Yeah, I wish I did some more. Yeah, because what I did is just I bike pack from here all the way to Central Coast, and that is just around 8 hours 8 hours of continuous drive. And then I stay in one hotel, and then the next day I bike around again, and then the next day I took the train going to Katoomba. Katoomba is a Blue Mountain. Yeah, that's a whole day. Because from Central Coast to Katoomba is around 5 hours of travel. Yeah, and then the next day I travel around, and then the next day also was traveling around in Katoomba, looking for a different lookout, different view, different part of Blue Mountain. And it was good, amazing experience. Yeah, but I wish I did some more camping, because I did just one day of camping, one night of camping. The rest are staying in the hotel. My real goal was really to do camping. Yeah, but I failed. I mean, I am scared. I don't know, I'm not really committed to do camping. Yeah, because I'm a little scared of a snake. Basically, I'm scared of a snake. And yeah, just that. Actually, my real goal is to go to the Barrington Tops. And Barrington Tops is really, I mean, it's not there is just one town to get to Barrington Tops, and so it means that there will be less hotel, so my only option will be camping. But I was scared, I was worried. Maybe next time. And if you remember, I saw $270 on the ground along the way. If I took that money, like it covers all my expenses. I mean, like I travel for free. And you know, if ever I am going back to the Philippines, I am going to travel the whole Philippines by just bicycle, by just bike. I'm actually going to bring this bike if I am going back to the Philippines for good. We are going to the town center. We are going to the grocery to buy something. I don't have food in the house. My favorite part of that bike travel is when I went to the Blackheath in the hanging rocks. Yeah, that's really good. Amazing view. Yeah. We're just going to buy something that is ready to eat. We're going to take this one. 1 kilo price is $2.95. Yeah. And chicken, roasted chicken. It is very sunny, very hot this time. I don't know the temperature. Let's check. Oh, it's 30 degrees. But later this afternoon there will be a rain. Yeah, there will be a storm, same like last night. There is a 3 hours storm. Oh no, my key is not in my pocket. I hope it is in the pocket of my trouser, inside the bag. If not, then I need to go back to the workplace. This is the whole chicken, and we're going to eat half of it. That's it. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we are going home now at 2:11 when I sign out. I start at 5:30. Yeah, me and the chef started at 5:30 because there's just the two of us from 5:30, and then the third guy came at 7:30, and that was very fast. Yeah, coming from a vacation, I start my duty yesterday, and then today is again my last day for 2 days day off. Yeah, back to normal, 2 days off, and then back to normal, 5 days work, 2 days off, like that. I remember that in 2017, 2018, we are not really busy. Sometimes we are just doing 20 packs for breakfast or 50 packs for breakfast. Yeah, just like that before. And actually we are doing breakfast like a la carte. Yeah, but you know, these days 2019 until now was really busy. Amazing. Below there is one bike traveler. Yeah, nice. Good afternoon. And I remember that I was working with Becca before, when it is not busy. Yeah, sometimes we are doing just 20, and we are doing the breakfast a la minute. Yeah, and Becca, I remember Becca being a empowered woman. You know what I'm trying to say? Like, she make decision, something like that. Oh, the guy is sleeping in there. We are going to the Chinese restaurant. We are going to eat fried rice. Oh, look at this. There is one electric bike. Yeah, this for a lady, for women. Nice. Oh, that one also is electric bike. You didn't see it. Yeah, this one. That one is also electric bike. Nice. Looks like it is going to rain. Fried rice. Yeah. A spring roll. Yeah. Yeah. Here. Okay, that's it. I'm satisfied. We are going home now, and then I will have a cup of coffee. I am tempted to buy ice cream or something sweet. Yeah, we go inside. Oh, this is just $5. We're going to take one of these salted caramel. This home brand. Actually, we take this one instead. Sara Lee, $7. Yo, good afternoon guys. We are going home now. Today I finished at 2 o'clock as usual. And this is how it is today. It's very windy and cloudy also. Yes, I was passing in that the store. It's written on their notice board that no cooks today, sorry. Yeah, so yeah, they don't have chef today. They don't have cook today. Oh, if you can see that table, that computer table, it's written in there, it's free. Nice. Yeah, I said to you yesterday that I am day off today and tomorrow. But yeah, this morning I wake up in a call of chef. So basically they are asking me, he is asking me to come to work because Lachlan didn't come. I don't know, maybe Lachlan didn't notice the changes in the roster. And so I was in a hurry. So basically chef called me at around 5:45, and I get to work at around 6:17 already, or 6:16. And actually right after I closed the door, that's when I realized that I forgot the key inside the house. And that is now my problem. I don't know how I am going to open the door, the house. Yeah, because everything is locked actually. Even the window, all of them are locked, totally locked. If you remember last time when the carpenter get inside my house, he locked the house, he locked the door of the house. And so yeah, what we did is we broke the window. I mean just the net, the screen, and the glass window was open, and so we break the net, the screen. So but this time, I mean these days, I totally lock everything. Yeah, the screen, the window. Yeah, I lock up all of those because of the previous incident of my bike. I am thinking of calling Locksmith, but I don't know how much they are going to charge. Actually, I am going home right away. Yeah, that is how it is. And then I was about to lock this also, and that's when I realized, oh, I forgot the key inside. They already called the locksmith. Okay, I am now inside. Yeah, so the guy just used two kind of pin and then click 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 click, and it opens in less than 1 minute. Yeah, very fast. And you know, it costs $80. Yeah, $80. The thing is, I don't have cash with me. Yeah, so I pay using my card by telling him the card number and you know, the code at the back of the card, and that is the one usually people are using when they are shopping online. So yeah, we don't know. I hope these guys are good and will not use my card for shopping. So $80, it's okay. Now I'm here and I can still use the key.